I can't tell you what it really is. I can only tell you what it feels like. Okay, anyway, so I am not Eminem. What is it? Just tell me. Okay, so I am actually bringing an unboxing video. This is my Ningguang cosplay from EZCosplay. It is the Orchid's evening gown. If you want a sneak peek, I'm about to unload her on video and then we're gonna try her on together. I'm super pumped for this. All right, so I turned the light on so y'all can actually see the detail. Oh my gosh, where to start? Ooh, okay. All right, let's go ahead and start pulling these shoes out. Oh my goodness, they look amazing. And I will be pulling these out of the plastic and showing you on camera. I just felt like I kind of wanted to unbox everything. Oh, they're Velcro. Oh, sweet. It attaches by Velcro. I just wanted to unbox everything out of here first. This is her pipe. And it looks like this is her outfit. They just put it all in one bag, didn't they? And then her wig. Sweet. Okay, let's get this all out of plastic. All right, so here's the shoes. Let's give you a little bit of a close-up. They have these weird like holes in them at certain spots. I have no idea why, but it doesn't really bother me. The one thing I am curious about is how I'm supposed to attach these Velcro onto the shoes here. But they're gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And this is the pipe. See that? It's huge. It's very long. So totally ignore my feet, okay? Because I did break my pinky toe. Don't make fun of me. But the Velcro here doesn't attach to anything. So I just like put the strap around, which funny thing about the strap here, as you can see, is it's like not fully complete, but yet this is like a thing. So like, yeah, I don't know what the main purpose was supposed to be, but this is how I did it. Anyway, so here's the gown. It looks adorable. I still have to add the trinkets. Her little vision, which is in this cute little baggie of trinkets here, goes right there. And I'm gonna open this up soon in a second. It's very kind of short. I definitely am nervous about this. Also, I thought that this was gonna come with like leggings with her tattoo on it, but they sent me a tattoo. I might end up buying like leggings, like sheer tights for her cosplay that has the tattoo engraved on it. So this cosplay came with the neck piece, and the jewels on this is like probably my favorite part. I'm really excited to put this on. These cute little bloomers to go underneath, but they're very much see-through from what I can tell. And also we have the arm pieces with the little fur on it, and she's got the long little swishy swoosh. All right, so here's all the little trinkets I got sent. This is, I know for sure goes into her hair, and I think this is a bracelet, and I know this is her vision. And this thing, let me tell you, is hefty. This is actually metal, and it looks amazing. I am super excited to put it on. I think these are rings, although maybe they're ear cuffs, and I have no idea where this piece goes, but I'm assuming it's somewhere along her back. All right, so from what you can see here, you can clearly tell her hair is very long. I don't want to play with this too much because I'm so terrified of it getting tangled. And this is her little like bun piece at addition. You just clip it on. I think that's freaking amazing. So it won't weigh it down too much. Don't be afraid of the wig. Make the wig afraid of you. Okay, so I did make this a little more age appropriate because my God, could you see a little bit too much up in here? And of course those white shorts were very much see-through. But yeah, I have the wig on. It was a little difficult to put on, I'm not gonna lie. I messed up, like it was like put up halfway here and it kind of like just fell apart. And I did have to put a bra on because I'm gonna probably try to find a different bra that it has like strapless and maybe can stay underneath. And it also came with these, like, sorry, let me get this, little straps here. So I don't know if this was supposed to be for a side of the dress here. It has like these little grippy things right here, you see that? So I don't know if that was supposed to like go somewhere to like hold on like tighter to the side, but yeah, so here she is. The wig is so long, my God. And then the back's like kind of cut down low, but you know, you can see my bra. But yeah, I really love this cosplay. This is really good for my TikTok. I probably wouldn't do this at a convention though, because these heels are very exhausting to wear for a while.